Hey, good day. I'm here to introduce you to the course Introduction to Software Engineering. I am Aderoju Abiola. Let's begin. The term software engineering is composed of two words, software and engineering. Software is more than just a program code. A program code is an executable code which serves some computational purpose. Software is considered to be a collection of executable programming code, associated libraries, and documentation. While on the other hand, engineering is all about developing products using well-defined scientific principles and methods. So we can say software engineering is a branch of engineering which is associated with the development of software products using well-defined scientific principles, methods, and procedures. The outcome of software engineering is an efficient and reliable software product. What is a software product? A software product is when software is made for a specific requirement. Software products are produced with the help of software process. A software product can be judged by what it offers and how well it can be used. Types of software products. Software products fall into two broad categories, generic products and customized products. Generic products are standalone systems that are developed by a production unit and sold on the open market to any customer who is able to buy them. Customized products are the systems that are commissioned by a particular customer. Some contractor develops the software for that customer. Is there any difference between program and a software product? Yes, a program is one of the stages involved in the development of the software. The software development should follow a life cycle which involves the feasibility study of the project, requirements gathering, development of a prototype, system design, coding, and testing. A program is a set of instructions that are given to a computer in order to achieve a specific task, while a software product is a program that is made available for commercial business and is properly documented along with its licensing. So software product is equals to program plus documentation and licensing, which makes it more than just a program. What are the characteristics of a well-engineered software product? A well-engineered software product should possess the following characteristics. Efficiency. The software should not make waste use of system resources such as memory and processor cycle. Maintainability. The software should be able to meet the changing requirements of customers. Dependability. A good software must be reliable and dependable and safe as well. Software should be developed well in time. A software must be within the budget. That is, the development of a software cost should not overrun and should be within the budgetary limit. Functionality. The software system should exhibit the proper functionality. That is, it should perform all the functions it is supposed to perform. Why do we need software engineers? Most software products are large, which will definitely involve scientific processes. As the hardware industry has shown its skills, and huge manufacturing has lowered the price of computer and electronic hardware. However, the cost of software remains high if the proper process is not adapted to deliver a reliable software. It is the company's responsibility to deliver software products on schedule and to address many defects that may exist. More so, to reduce complexity, you need software engineers because large challenges are broken down into smaller ones and solved one at a time in software engineering. Individual solutions are found for each of these issues. Characteristics of a good software engineer. A good software engineer is someone who has a combination of technical and non-technical skills, as well as personal qualities that enable them to work effectively in a team and create high-quality software. Here are some of the key characteristics of a good software engineer. 1. Technical skills. A good software engineer should have strong technical skills, including proficiency in programming languages, understanding of software development methodology, and knowledge of software design principles and patterns. Number 2, analytical thinking. A good software engineer should be able to analyze problems and develop effective solutions that are efficient, maintainable, and scalable. They should be able to evaluate different approaches to solving a problem and choose the best one based on the project's requirements and constraints. Number 3, attention to detail. A good software engineer should have a keen eye for detail, carefully reviewing codes and documentation to identify and resolve errors, inconsistencies, and other issues that could impact the quality and the reliability of the software. And the last but not the least, communication skills. A good software engineer should be an effective communicator, able to explain complex technical concepts to every member of the team. What are the challenges of software engineers? Understanding the user requirements needs. Requirements are often poorly defined and may change over time, which makes it difficult for engineers to understand the user's true needs. Number 2 is managing stakeholders. There may be one or more stakeholders in a project, and there may be multiple stakeholders with different goals and priorities, which makes it difficult to satisfy everyone's requirements. Number 3, handling ambiguity. Requirements may be ambiguous, inconsistent, and incomplete, making it difficult for engineers to understand what the system should do. And lastly but not the least, maintaining a balance between feasibility, cost, and time. Engineers need to balance the feasibility of implementing a requirement, the cost of implementation, and the time required to implement it. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next class.